Hi, love doves. Are you ready to do some self-love and empowerment affirmations with me? Wonderful. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll say them and then you repeat them. Ready? I am someone who loves myself. I know my value. I treat myself with respect. I am confident in who I am and my abilities. I treat myself and others with kindness. I am curious about life. I am beautiful inside and out. I am playful. I am successful and continue to be successful. I am learning and growing every day. I am allowed to be me. I am proud of who I am. I am myself. I delight in my life. I am attractive. I value my life. I know that my life matters. I know that I am enough. I enjoy loving others and being loved by others. I get to express myself. I do express myself. I feel confident in who I choose to be a part of my life. I get to pick my friends and my soul family. I trust myself to let go of what I'm no longer in alignment with for the highest good for myself and for others. I'll say that one again. I trust myself to let go of what I'm no longer in alignment with for the highest good of myself and others. I remember who I am and trust myself to create my life. I experience compassion for myself and others. I honor who I am. I take the time to get to know myself. I enjoy my days and the memories I'm creating. I know that my worth is constant. I get to grow and evolve over my lifetime. I am loved and supported, especially from myself. I talk to myself in encouraging ways. I believe in who I am. I believe that I am enough. I believe that I get to live my life in a way that feels good to me. I have permission to stop chasing perfect. I give myself permission to change my mind when I realize I want something different. I am enough. I matter. I make a difference. My life is important. I get to be me. And so I be me. I get to set boundaries as needed because I love myself deeply. And I allow myself every day to show up as me. I get to be me. I am enough. Well, my friends, my love doves, that is the affirmations for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Steph, and if you enjoyed these affirmations, please like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and I am sending you endless love. Until next time. Bye. Have a beautiful day.